Have you ever thought this while dreaming? This feels real, but it's not. The people around you are familiar, yet strange. The places feel known, yet as if you've never been there. Time flows oddly, logic bends, and yet in that moment, nothing feels unusual. But what if dreams aren't just scenes created by our brain? What if every time we fall asleep, our consciousness shifts into another reality, and we simply call it a dream? Pause for a moment, because what you're about to hear might completely change the way you see dreams and reality itself. The human brain is at its most mysterious during sleep. The body is still, eyes closed, but the mind becomes more active than ever. Scientists say that during dreaming, certain parts of the brain work even more intensely than when we're awake. But the real question is this: why does this intensity exist? Dreams are often described as illogical. We fly, we fall, we suddenly appear somewhere else. Years fit into seconds. Yet here's the strange part. While dreaming, none of this feels odd, because in that moment, the place we're in feels completely real to the mind. Some theories suggest that dreams are the brain's way of organizing memories. Events from the day are reprocessed by the subconscious. But this explanation doesn't cover everything, because some dreams contain things we've never experienced, places we've never seen, people we've never met, emotions we've never felt before. So where does this information come from? This is where things start to get complicated. Some consciousness researchers and theoretical physicists suggest that dreams may be connected to alternative realities. In other words, during dreaming, consciousness might establish a weak connection with another universe. These universes may closely resemble ours, but they are not exactly the same. This idea is known as the parallel universe theory, an infinite number of universes where every possibility exists. And perhaps dreams are small windows into these universes, brief, blurry, yet powerful. What's even more intriguing is this: some people claim they've seen future events in their dreams. Others say they dreamed of places they had never known, only to visit them years later in real life. Is this just coincidence? Or is consciousness not as bound to time as we think? Lucid dreamers, people who realize they are dreaming, make this mystery even deeper, because in lucid dreams, the dreamer can control the experience. They can change their surroundings, make decisions, almost as if they're freely moving within a universe. But we have to ask this question: if dreams are merely imagination, why do they create such a consistent sense of a world? Some neuroscientists say the brain is extremely good at simulating reality. But even that explanation feels incomplete, because why would the brain need to create an entirely new reality from scratch every single night? Perhaps dreams are spaces where consciousness tests its limits. Perhaps while we sleep, a door opens one we're not aware of. And every morning when we wake up, we are forced to forget what we experienced there. Because if we remembered, reality itself would lose its meaning. Now think about this. The next time you dream, maybe you're not just asleep. Maybe you exist somewhere else, as another version of yourself. And perhaps the most unsettling question of all is this: what if this world is actually the dream universe?